To solve this question, let's first see if our decimal matches any of the fraction to decimal or decimal to fraction conversions in our table. The closest thing to 0.56 is 0.5 or 1/2. So we can start by comparing all of our answer choices to 1/2. It must be a little bit greater than 1/2. If we look at answer choice C is actually greater than the denominator itself. Its numerator is greater than the denominator, meaning that we're going to have a mixed fraction with a whole number that isn't present in our original number. So we can eliminate answer choice C. Then if we look at answer choice A, if the denominator is 51, we need at least 25 in the numerator, but we do not. 25 is half of 51, about approximately, and we have 14, which is less than that. So that means this fraction has no chance of being 0.56. Between answer choice B and D, these are both pretty close to each other because the numerators are both over half of their denominator, but by a little bit. So we're going to have to turn to long division for this. If I set up both of these long division problems, we have 51 going into 28. 51 can't go into 28, so we need to add a decimal and add a 0. And then we'll also have 25 going into 14. 25 cannot go into 14, so we must add a decimal and add a 0. So now, I'm going to actually spread these two out. Okay, so now what we need to do is we know that the first digit in our decimal is 5. So I know that no matter what, the first number in this division problem should be 5. So let me try 25 times 5, which I know offhand is 125. 51 times 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 5 is 25. Both of these are underneath the value of the number we're trying to get into, so that both works. We have 125 and 255. 125 and 255. Going to do the 25 problem first. When we subtract, we have to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Add a 0, bring it down. And off the top of my head, I know that 25 can go into 150 exactly 6 times evenly with no remainder, meaning that this first option here, which is answer choice D, is going to be our correct answer because this fraction represents 0.56.